Right on the wire.
Hey there, it's Rad. In honor of Inktober, where artists use ink pens and other ink-filled devices to make artwork, I want to do some drawings of Lil Teddy. And I've already got some here, but I want to do a couple more here, so I got to fill this up. So I got to do that. And, well, I got some friends over here, too. I got the hotline, and I've got my Viewmaster, and I wanted to incorporate that into the drawing of Lil Teddy. And little baby versions, too. Look at this little thing. Look at that. Look at this thing. It really works, okay? It really works. In fact, I've drawn some sketches here, but I don't know. I got to keep working on them. And I think I'll put the sketches in here. So, and then I'm going to ink them in with my Posca. Look at this mask. These labels I made myself on the computer. It says Raddington Falls Postal Service. It's got a little symbol of the waterfall. It says here the year 2020, around the universe and back again. And it says high priority. All right, come on, Lil Teddy. Let's do this. All right, so I got that one done. Now let me do the other ones. This one here has got a mirror and a window, and it has to do with the idea of being able to see yourself in others, whether it be literature or art or anything else, where you have a connection because you are both human, or in this case, bear, or looking out a window and seeing someone else's perspective different from your own. So that's the idea behind that. And then I just want to do these because I just want to be able to represent my own little new toys here. All right, so here we go. All right, and then let me do this other one with the Viewmaster. Alright, I think I got it. We'll see when I ink it. And then I want to do, let's see, should I do him on his path? He's always on a path, people. He's on a journey. You know, he's got places to go in life, internally and externally. What is it? That portal. He wants to jump into 2022, past COVID. Wants to bypass this situation. Let's do some inking. Let's see, is this the one that's working? Come on, Lil Teddy, it's time for some introspection. Let's see about this phone now. Look at that. Phone looks happy to be used by Lil Teddy. Rhythm is life. All right, let's see how this goes. Sorta, kinda. All right, Lil Teddy, let's get out of here. See you on the other side, kid. Should end right here because that's where he's going. 2022. Peace out, y'all. All right, so there we go. We got 3 pages of Lil Teddy. D-U-N, also known as D-O-N-E. Thanks for watching, everybody, and a happy Inktober. Rat on the wire. Yeah, I just did some Lil Teddy drawings. Yeah, they're looking good. I inked them in for Inktober. All right, just catch them on YouTubes. All right, peace out.